Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Thoughts of a Theorist. This is actually the continuation of our tutorial series about mental calculation techniques for basic math problems. Last time, we had a tutorial about the multiplication of any two-digit number or more by 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 19. Today, we're going to discuss how to get the percentage of a number by mental calculation. This is actually just one of the simplest ways to get the percentage of a number. Suppose we are asked, what is the 10% of 40? So to answer this one by mental calculation for just a very short period of time, we have to consider this reference. We have to always ask if 100% is divisible by the percentage asked. So in this particular example, we have to ask ourselves, can we divide 10% from 100%? If the answer is yes without a remainder, then we can use mental calculation or we can use this technique for this specific problem. So we have to solve this one by dividing first 10% from 100%. So obviously, we have 100% divided by 10% is 10. And this quotient will now be the divisor of our principal number, which is 40. So we have 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. Therefore, the 10% of 40 is 4. Now let's consider this problem. What is the 25% of 40? Again, ask yourself, can we divide 25% from 100%? The answer is yes. So we have 100% divided by 25% equals 4. And this quotient, which is 4, will now be the divisor of our principal number, which is 40. So you have 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Therefore, the 25% of 40 is 10. Now what if we are asked, what is the 25% of 840? Again, we can divide 25% from 100%, and the answer is 4. So we have 840 divided by 4 equals 210. Therefore, the 25% of 840 is 210. Now, these are actually just some of the techniques. There are many techniques that we could possibly use, and I found this to be the simplest. We can apply as well 50%. Now, what is 50% of 840, for example? And as we know, 50% is just 2 times, or 100% divided by 2. So basically, you just have to divide 2 from 840, which gives us 840 divided by 2 is obviously 420. So I guess that's all. If you have some queries or questions regarding this tutorial, or if you have not watched our previous video, you may watch them from my channel, Thoughts of a Theorist. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you may type your comments from the comment option in my YouTube channel.